So today I'm going to show you how I make my milk barfi. Here I have 4 cups of powdered milk, half cup of cream, 2 cups of sugar, 3/4 cup of water. Here I have rose water, 1 tablespoon freshly grated ginger, 1 teaspoon of cardamom or elaichi, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and some sprinkles. Here I have 1 large bowl, 1 pot for the syrup, chopper, and the brush. I'm going to oil my dish, square dish. You can use any square medium-sized dish, 9 by 9 or 12 by 9. So here I have my greased dish. I'm going to move this away. Let's start by adding the sugar, ginger, water, rose water, tiny bit of 1 teaspoon of rose water. So I'm going to make this into a thick syrup. After I'm finished with the milk powder and cream, just because it have to be in the right consistency, so you have to look really carefully at the texture of the sugar syrup. So I'm going to put this aside and let's start making the powdered milk, elaichi or cardamom. I'm going to mix this just to make sure it's equally distributed. I have the cream. I'm going to add into the powdered milk. I'm going to add this gradually so the mixture is not going to be very sticky. It's better if you take your time by making this process. I'm adding 2 tablespoons at a time. So this is what the milk looks like after I'm finished mixing cream into the powdered milk, like coarse breadcrumbs. It's not sticky, it's dry. So now I'm going to add this into my chopper. So I'm going to pulse this a couple times until it looks like powder. No lumps. Here you can see how fine, dry. I'm going to finish the rest. So this just takes like 5 pulses. Nice and light. This is the texture you want before you make your sugar syrup. Now I'm going to put this on. So here I'm making the sugar. You want the sugar to leave the sides. So this is not ready. So here I'm going to test a little to see if it's going to stick together, pull together. I'm just making a little test. It looks like it's ready. So now I'm going to pour this gradually together with the coconut oil. I'm going to mix. I'm not adding all the syrup at the same time. Have to move really fast and pour this into your grease baking dish. So here you can see it's already beginning to come together. It's even out in my dish. Now I'm going to add sprinkles. So this is my finished milk barfi. Here you can see it's already beginning to harden. Only problem, you have to leave this to set at least a few hours before cutting into squares. But thankfully I have one already cut, so I can show you the results. Hope you try my recipe. It's really easy, tasty. For any occasion, Diwali sweets, Eid, or to enjoy it anytime. How amazing does this look? Berries, milk, barfi. You can get about 35 or 40 pieces, depending on how big or small